Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Wilson Infinite Men's Golf Putter. The Wilson Staff Infinite Putter Collection features 8 classic head shapes with refined details, each with counterbalance technology for a more controlled putting stroke. Each putter is named after a local landmark or neighborhood, in honor of the company's headquarters in Chicago. The new series has a dark, matte surface that reduces glare and emphasizes sight lines. Wilson's Infinite Putter range features 9 head styles ranging from classic to modern, all with precise details and counterbalance technology for total control on the green. Each putter is named after a local landmark or neighborhood and has a black matte finish to minimize glare and emphasize sight lines. This Wilson Infinite Putter has an extremely high moment of inertia to improve your accuracy. Furthermore, a pure roll face insert creates continuous forward roll, which leads to better distance management. To improve moi during your putting stroke, a robust 304 stainless steel frame is combined with a lightweight aluminum core. This means that the putter face resists twisting, allowing it to remain square at contact. As a result, it assists you in getting the ball started on the intended line. The Wilson Infinite insert works in tandem with a soft polymer to maximize forward roll. This combination broadens the sweet area, allowing for consistent speed even on heel and toe miss hits. Our second best putters for beginners is Lazarus Premium Black Golf Putter. The Lazarus Premium Black Golf Putter is a mallet putter that can be used by either left or right-handed golfers. It boasts a 34-inch length and a well-balanced head that gives the player good control and weight. The grip on the putter is comfortable, and the line marking on the face is longer than most blade putters, making it easier to aim. The putter has an attractive black finish and comes with a head cover. The line marker is useful for aiming, and the comfortable grip makes it simple to use. Modern putters' excellent performance features frequently come at a price unacceptable for high handicappers. If money is a barrier, there are various kosher choices to explore. The TPS X-Type M900 from Lazarus. This forgiving mallet-style putter creates excellent forward roll off the face. The Lazarus generates a high moi to assist players in keeping their golf ball in play. The presence of a groove face insert allows for more top spin off a larger area of the putter face. As a result, heel and toe linkages still provide enough roll to produce consistent distance results. Third pick in our list is Dune Golf Putters. The Dune Golf Putter is developed with a two-way cast iron putter that can meet the practice demands of diverse groups of people. It is suited for any golfer, whether you are right-handed, left-handed, advanced or novice, and you may play at your best level with this two-way golf putter. This golf putter features a high-quality aluminum alloy custom shaft that is harder, more corrosion-resistant, has a solid feel, and is more robust. The rubber grip's scientific non-slip texture design makes it more comfortable to hold. This golf putter may be modified in length, is lightweight and portable, weighing only about 0.8 pounds, and fits neatly into a golf bag. The Dune 2-ball triple track putter is a powerful function that assists beginners in aligning their ball with the cup. Lanes provide superior aid to the conventional 2-ball configuration. The 3-line alignment aid provides a lane for you to frame the ball at address. This makes determining if your golf ball and putter face is facing the flagstick easier. A micro-hinge star insert was used by Dune. This technique increases the putter face's flexibility to induce maximum forward roll on all shots. As a result, even heel and toe miss hits result in adequate speed control. Number 4 in our side is Kasuzuki 2-Ways Golf Putter. Golf putter uses a premium aluminum alloy shaft with a stronger firmed and thicker covering, which completely solves the thin shaft bended problem of competitors. Allow rookie golfers/kids to gain true golf experience with great performance, outstanding balance, lightweight, and a very easy putt hole.
The golf set is double-sided and can be used by men who are right or left-handed, i.e., righties and lefties golfers, without changing putters every time they putt.
As a tiny golf putter set, the bladed putter may be spread out in 4 halves and conveniently carried in luggage while traveling outside. It will cost you a small fee to learn the fundamentals of golf, and if you are equipped with golf clubs indoor training, you will have fun wherever you are in the indoor kids/adult/youth golf clubs course practice or outdoor putting green mat, even relax fun golf office or home to reduce work stress or teach your child putt hole and enjoy family happy hour. Number 5 in our top 5 best putters for beginners list is PlayEagle Golf Putter. This putter is made up of 4 components: a ball head, a 2-section shaft, and a rubber grip. Reduce the volume, making it easier to ship and carry. This golf putter is suitable for any golfer, whether you are right-handed, left-handed, advanced or beginning, as it performs effectively in both directions. This putter is constructed of 3 materials: a zinc alloy head, an aluminum alloy shaft, and a rubber grip. Made of high-quality materials that are both sturdy and long-lasting. 34-inch shaft, appropriate for adults or teenagers, for training or playing golf, suitable for novices. This toddler putter is composed of high-quality materials that are solid and durable. Children can use it to prevent slippage and have a better golf experience. Zinc alloy head golf club head, can be stored for a long time, is resistant to deformation damage, is strong and durable, and is ideal for children's playful personalities. It is both attractive and functional. This golf putter is disassembled, making it very easy to travel and assemble for children of all ages, allowing them to experience greater fun. 34-inch shaft, appropriate for adults or teenagers, for training or playing golf, suitable for novices. These are golf putters with a detachable design that are easy to transport while traveling or camping. Depending on your demands, you can use either a right-handed or a two-handed putter. In any case, these putters will undoubtedly suit your requirements. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.